Good day to you all. We're here at the F&B box. I'm here with my fellow judge. My name is Orlando. That's Renz.
This is Attorney Soler.
That is Attorney Soler. And we're here to do the Battle of the Strongest qualifying WOD 2 for our athlete, first athlete, Lynette Soler, scaled female division, and our coach, Merwin Torres, RX division. These are their weights for the 2RM snatch. Lynette will be starting off at 75 pounds, while Coach Merwin will be starting at 155. Their equipments and then their targets over there. All right, athletes ready? The target is, for her is 8 feet.
Yes, the lowest white dot is 9 feet. So she'll be hitting something under that target.
Athletes ready?
Ready.
Let's get it on. 10 seconds. Athlete Lynette Soler attempting 75 pounds.
Yes.
Good lift.
Can you carry that?
Good.
Good lift.
Athlete Merwin Torres attempting 155 pounds. Good. Good lift.
Lift.
Athlete Lynette Soler attempting 80 pounds.
Athlete Merwin Torres attempting 160.
Good lift.
Ayan ba yung baby yan? Okay.
Good.
Good.
Lift.
80.
Lift.
Eh, susulat ko lang yung pinakamabigat na nila, di ba?
Lift.
For 85.
Athlete Lynette Soler attempting 85 pounds. Good.
Yes. Okay.
Good lift.
85. Sige, 90.
Yeah, marami naman tayo.
Tama?
Buri me.
Okay.
Ano yan? Balik kayo 75 per quarter.
Wow!
So, 85 na kaya kami.
Mga 80 na yung kanya rin.
Naka-coach Marvin, 160.
Yes.
80, baka may 85. Baka may ako. Bakang ko. Doon lang.
1 minute.
1 minute na ba?
1 minute, 20 seconds left.
Drink water. Relax.
Wah, kulang na.
Pag mas mabigat na itang bolo, ah.
Last minute. Tapos yung mga itang bola.
Para lang.
Pwede ko mata-belt ko eh. Medyo forms. Hoy!
Warm up ka pang sumbo. Yan.
30 seconds left.
Boom, 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 boom.
Kailangan mo ilakas ni ano.
Last
15
20
wall balls
oh.
ka.
20 seconds.
20 double unders and 15 wall balls. Each athlete. 10 seconds.
10 seconds. 5 seconds.
4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Go.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, 13,
sabihin mo tayo pag okay.
14, 15, 16, 17, 16, last one. Come on.
Lots of time.
Good. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Good.
15.
Breathe.
That's 3.
18, 19, 20, good.
Nice.
1,
2, 3, 4,
5,
5, 6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
10,
10,
11, 12, 13, 14. Go.
Breathe.
Breathe.
Buga. Nice time. 7, 8, 7, 7.
Nice.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Wait.
Nice. Nice time, oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
50. Good. Nice.
Breathe.
Coach, you again 1 minute per guy, yeah?
Okay.
Set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. Go. Mamaya na yung pahinga. May 2 minutes ka. 8, 9, 9.
Relax.
10, 11, 12, 13, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Come on. Tingnan ko na. 1. Last two. Good.
Good. Go,
Okay,
go,
lagyan
go,
mo
go.
na. 1, 2, 3,
3,
4,
4, 5,
6,
Go.
7, 8, 9, bilis! 10, 11. Good. 11 sets si Ate Lynette. 3 rounds plus
11.
plus 20 plus 11 plus 30.
Nice,
Breathe.
nice. Breathe.
Bro, yung ano ni Coach. Ang galing mo na yung mga record. Pag okay na ha. Okay, 2 minutes.
Breathe, breathe.
Wait. Tubig.
Ready na, ready na.
Bilis siya, bilis siya.
May ice pa yan.
Mas masando niya yan eh. Sayang yan eh. Endurance. May mga tabili rin. Ayan eh. Eh?
Wow!
Sina.
Hindi ka pala niya minunan eh.
Ano muna, no?
Hang.
Ito tabili ha.
Hang muna, hang. Feel the bar. Hang again. Always hang.
Pwede na. Okay. Hang, hang, hang.
Hang.
No repeat, no repeat. No repeat.
Hang na pa.
Hang,
Hang.
hang. Good.
Nice. Hang again. Hang.
Relax, relax.
Nice!
Nice.
75 pounds. Good bit.
Good, 25. Coach Doris with 160.
Bit.
Nahang na pa.
Hang na pa.
Yeah.
Hang ito.
Hang na pa.
Okay.
Good.
Go, go, go.
Oh, good day, coach.
Hang, hang.
160.
Hang.
Good day,
Ah.
Hannah.
Nice.
Ano yun? Mas-
Nice. Hang, hang.
Nice.
Okay.
Isusulat mo mo itang
Oh, yung successful.
Last.
Maybe yung successful.
Yan, hanggang kaya na. Relax ko lang.
That's 45 seconds, guys.
Yes, 45.
Kahit sa 40.
Sige. Hang muna, hang.
Hang muna.
Go.
Hang.
Sige,
Coach
pwede
Merwin.
mo sabit.
With
Sige,
165.
kahit sabay.
Pwede yung sabay.
One minute.
Good!
Nice, hang, hang.
Breathe.
Okay,
Na,
breathe.
na. Oh,
Yeah! Nice. Nice, nice, nice.
85 pounds, successful. Lynette Soler.
Coach, ano, 155.
Lift!
155 ka?
Ano ba?
165.
Ang hirap noon. Lumang sa loob. Nice one.
Down. 165.
Ay.
Strong.
Oh, pakita mo yung score mo.
Hi, Lee. You want to eat? No, why? Just wait.
Total reps 4 rounds.
What's your name? What's your name? Ayan, baby.
Nice one. Good shit.
Isan. Unong yung may atabili, ayari. 4 rounds ko. Okay?
Grabe. Ah, kailangan bibilangin?
20, 40, 60, 80, 30,
60 plus 80
Go, ikaw.
plus 80. 140.
Yung ano mo? Point 2, pwede mo tirahin to. Point 2. Nalargay. Sige na, try
Ah,
lang.
dito na lang daw. Dito.
Try lang. Di pa ba? Huwag mo isang na.
Largay ng
Push
oras.
kita, dali.
Ha?
Largay
Coach,
ng
push
oras.
mo kayo.
Final score?
Ikaw, push.
2, 4, 80 plus
Naglalawak ng
Go!
oras. Bad deep pass ito.
45 plus
Bro, bro, kaya mo yan, bro.
Lalaki yung deep niya. 15 minutes, 15 minutes na.
15 minutes. Alright, scoring. We're waiting for the score. They're just computing it. So, hey, what's up? FNB.
Okay, so
Uy, dito.
ano ito ba?
Sino?
The final score for Lynette Soler is
Pagkita mo dito.
saan? For final score, 85 pounds, 2 RM before AMRAP, 136 reps, and 85 pounds for 2 RM after AMRAP.
Pagkita mo.
Oh. Kita ba?
Ayan. Yung kay coach.
For
Athlete Merwin Torres.
Athlete Merwin Torres, 160 pounds, 2 RM before AMRAP, 140 reps, total reps AMRAP, and 165 pounds, 2 RM after AMRAP. Ah,